Have you ever wondered how some women seem to attract everyone around them effortlessly? It's as if they have this invisible force field around them that pulls people in. Now hold on to your hats, because we're about to dive into this captivating world of magnetism. When we talk about being magnetic, we're not just talking about physical attractiveness. Sure, aesthetics can play a part, but it's so much more than that. It's about the vibe, the energy, the aura that one radiates. It's that inexplicable quality that makes people feel drawn to you, like bees to honey or moths to a flame. So, what's the secret sauce? Well, it's not really a secret. It's something that resides within each and every one of us. It's about tapping into that inner light and letting it shine for all to see. And the best part? Anyone can learn to be magnetic. Yes, you heard that right. Anyone. It's not about changing who you are, but rather enhancing what's already there. It's about learning to harness your unique energy and channel it in a way that makes people want to be around you. It's about becoming the best version of yourself and radiating confidence from the inside out. And before you start thinking this is all about attracting a romantic partner, let's clear the air. Being magnetic is about so much more than just dating. It's about attracting all kinds of relationships, from friendships to business partnerships. It's about creating meaningful connections and building a network of people who genuinely enjoy your company. But how do you do it? How do you increase your magnetism and self-confidence? Well, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And the first step is understanding the concept of magnetism and the role it plays in our lives. So, are you ready to unlock your inner magnetism? Are you ready to become the most magnetic person in the room? Stay tuned. The first step to becoming magnetic is self-awareness. Now, self-awareness is not just about knowing your favorite color or food. It's about diving deep into your core, understanding your values, your passions, your fears, and your dreams. It's about recognizing your strengths and celebrating them. Are you a great listener? Do you have a knack for making people laugh? Embrace these qualities. They are part of what makes you unique. But self-awareness also involves acknowledging your weaknesses. Maybe you're not the best at time management, or perhaps you tend to shy away from confrontation. That's okay. Being aware of these areas gives you the chance to work on them, to grow. Self-awareness is the key to projecting genuine confidence and charm. When you understand yourself, you can navigate the world with authenticity. You're not just playing a role, you're being true to who you are. And believe me, that authenticity is magnetic. Once you know who you are, you can confidently present yourself to the world. Next, you need to ensure that you're always emitting positive vibes. Now, what does this mean exactly? Well, think about it. Who are you drawn to? Isn't it often those who radiate positivity, optimism, and enthusiasm? That's because these qualities are like magnets. They draw us in, making us want to be around the person who exudes them. Positivity is not just about being happy all the time. It's about keeping a hopeful perspective in the face of life's challenges. It's about choosing to see the glass as half full rather than half empty. This optimism can be incredibly attractive to those around you, whether they're potential dates, friends, or business partners. So how do we maintain this positive outlook? It's a matter of habit. Practice gratitude, focus on solutions rather than problems, surround yourself with positive influences, and remember to laugh. Yes, a good sense of humor can be a powerful positivity booster. Remember, your energy introduces you before you even speak. The third step is to cultivate empathy and develop your listening skills. Now let's unpack this. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It's a powerful tool that helps you connect with people on a deeper level. It's about stepping into someone else's shoes, seeing the world through their eyes, and acknowledging their experiences. But how do you demonstrate empathy? This is where listening skills come in. When you listen, truly listen, you validate others' feelings and perspectives. You make them feel seen and heard, and there's nothing more attractive than that. Imagine this. You're at a gathering and someone is sharing a story. If you're actively engaged, asking insightful questions, and showing genuine interest, you're not only making that person feel special, but you're also radiating an irresistible aura of kindness and understanding. When you show genuine interest in others, they can't help but be attracted to you. The final step to becoming magnetic is to be authentic and confident. Authenticity is the cornerstone of magnetism. It's about being true to who you are, embracing your unique qualities, and not being afraid to show them to the world. Let's face it, we all have our quirks and idiosyncrasies, and that's what makes us individuals. It's these unique traits that set us apart and make us interesting. So instead of trying to fit in or mimic someone else, let your authentic self shine. People are drawn to authenticity because it's real, it's relatable, and it's refreshing in a world that often encourages us to conform. Now, let's talk about confidence. Confidence is not about being the loudest in the room or always needing to be right. It's about believing in yourself, your abilities, and your worth. It's about carrying yourself with grace and standing tall, even in the face of adversity. Confidence is attractive because it's inspiring. It shows others that you believe in yourself, and it makes them want to believe in you too. But how can we project confidence without seeming arrogant? The key lies in balance. Be proud of your accomplishments, but always stay humble. Listen to others, value their perspectives, and don't be afraid to admit when you're wrong. Confidence is not about having all the answers. It's about being open to learning and growing. It's about treating others with respect and kindness, regardless of their status or what they can do for you. Authenticity and confidence go hand in hand. When you are true to yourself and believe in your worth, you naturally exude a magnetic energy that attracts others. It's an energy that says, I am comfortable in my own skin, I am proud of who I am, and I am open to connecting with others on a genuine level. Remember, the most magnetic thing you can be is yourself.